Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to merge or join three dictionaries in Python. I will show you the top 3 easiest methods. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output. Merging 3 dictionaries, top 3 easiest way I have showed. We have written the code top 3 easiest way. The command is Python merging 3 dictionary.py. When I click enter, notice here we got the first method, second method and third method. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials. And here the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will add one new file called merging and 3 dictionaries.py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is merging 3 dictionaries, top 3 easiest ways in Python. First, let's declare the dictionaries. Dictionary 1. When we want to declare a dictionary, we use double curly brackets, closing and open and closing curly brackets. Now in dictionary we have 2 types. One is keys and values. First, let's define the key, name, and colon value. Value is Charan. My name is Charan. Then I will add another key. Age is 32. Let's define dictionary 2. Instead of writing the same thing, copy this one, and this one is city. Let's add the city is Hyderabad. And mobile. Let's give some number, random number. I am giving some dummy mobile number I have given here. Now the third dictionary, let's change the variable name. This one, the key value here, I am giving some course name here. I am adding course Python, and we will give the duration. Duration is 3 months. Now the first method using pipe. I'm printing directly here. When you are using pipe symbol, the key value must be different. If you add unique key values, it will read the last occurring duplicate value only. It will read that. So make sure when you are using pipe, the key values must be different. First one, dictionary 1, I am adding pipe symbol, dictionary 2 and dictionary 3. That's it. Second method, using double asterisk. Using double asterisk to join the dictionaries, 3 dictionaries. Again print. In this print method, when we are using double asterisk to join dictionaries, we need to open and close curly brackets. That is important. Then double asterisk dictionary 1, comma, double asterisk dictionary 2, comma, and double asterisk dictionary 3. That's it. This is the second method to join or merging the 3 dictionaries. And the third method using copy method. So here in the copy method, when we are using copy method to merging 3 dictionaries, we require one variable called dictionary 4. Here I am adding one new variable. You can give any number or output also. You can give any value for the variable. First I am adding dictionary dictionary 1 dot copy method, then dictionary 4. After adding the copy, only one copy I am adding, dictionary 1 copied is equals to not is equals to dictionary. Now I am adding update method. In this update method I am adding dictionary 2. Let's copy this one. Again dictionary 4 update 3. Now print dictionary 4, dictionary 4 variable, which is the output. Now here if you notice, I have written 2 update methods here. If I add dictionary 3 in the same update method, you will get an error because this update method takes only single parameter. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Now before run this application, what I'll do is I will add some lines here. So we can know this is the first method, this is a second method, this is a third method. That's it. Now let's go to file, open the file, save all this application, then go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal to check the final output. Now let's check the final output, merging 3 dictionaries. Top 3 easiest way I have showed. We have written the code top 3 easiest way. The command is Python merging 3 dictionary.py. When I click enter, notice here we got the first method, second method and third method using piping, second double asterisk, and the third one is copy method. These 3 dictionaries have joined, merged. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to merge 3 dictionaries in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.